I'm so tired. No, concentrate. Stay focused. In the moment. I want to stop. I feel like I'm no good. No. I want to do well. I want to hold my own. I'm trying. Why isn't anything working? Get up. I really want to do well. It's pointless. All I do is get knocked down. I'm sick of this. My body aches. He's too quick. I feel like I'm failing at everything. I wanted to do well. So badly. Wait. Maybe that's my problem. I want it to happen, but I haven't earned it. I need to train my best in order to do my best when it counts. I need to take responsibility to make my goals a reality. I need to be diligent, work out, stay in shape. I'll get up early and work on my skills. When everyone else is watching TV, I'll be out training. I need to out-train, out-hustle, and outperform myself on a regular basis, so I'll practice consistently throughout the year. I'll pay attention to the little things, the small details during everyday routine practice sessions. Hopefully, this will prepare me to earn the opportunity to do well, and then execute that opportunity. I will respect my body. I will eat healthy. I will exercise every day. I will control my actions, earn the trust of my training partners. I will develop good character traits to bring out the best in myself and others. I will never give up. My heart will pump effort and perseverance. In life, in business, in our careers, we all want to take the shot that gets the attention, the credit, or leads to the next opportunity. Everyone wants the opportunity to make the decisions, to be the boss, get the promotion, hold the pen, present to the executives, and ultimately get the exposure that will open up doors to more opportunities, more money, stronger relationships, and even a better life. Everybody wants it. The great ones, however, the great leaders, they earned it. The great ones did the little things on routine days when nobody was watching, and they got the nod, the promotion, the opportunity, because they earned it. If I succeed, I will be thankful for the opportunity. I will remain humble. I will not become egotistical. I'm not better than anyone else. I simply hold myself to a high standard. I want success, but I'll gain more wisdom by earning it.
Every time you hit this guy, it's It's gotta feel like he tried kissing the express train. Yeah.